إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد سنبدأ الدرس السابع عشر الآن إن شاء الله. So we start lesson 17 inshallah right now. أبواب المسجد مفتوحة. The doors or the gates of the masjid are open. And look, مفتوحة, why? This is a feminine. Why are we using feminine? It's because أبواب is a plural and it's غير عاقل. And so these things together are treated as a feminine singular noun. Next sentence says لمن هذه البيوت الجديدة. Who do these new houses belong to? هي للمدير الشركة. They belong to the, you could say CEO. المدير الشركة. الشركة and شركات, it means company. النجوم جميلة. The stars are beautiful. هذه الدروس سهلة. These lessons are easy. في الهند لغات كثيرة. In India there are many languages. لغات is the plural of لغة. أين الكتب الجديدة. Where are the new books? هي في المكتبة. They are in the library. تلك السرر مكسورة. Those beds are broken. الساعة اليابانية رخيصة. The Japanese watch is cheap. هذه الحمر للفلاح. These donkeys belong to the farmer. Or you could say هذه الحمير للفلاح. That's what I've explained last lesson, that donkey, حمار, has two plurals, حمير and حمر. أين كتبكن يا أخوات. Where are your all's books يا أخوات, oh sisters. هي في الفصل. They are in the classroom. هذه كتبي وتلك كتب أختي. These are my books and those are the books of my sister. هذه مكاتب الطلاب. These are the desks of the students. In number 13 it says في هذا الشارع فنادق كبيرة. In this street there are many hotels. And so that was the, you could say, story or series of statements that came. And now we will answer some questions about them. تمارين. أين الكتب الجديدة. Where are the new books? And if you look back into the story on number 6, right here, it says أين الكتب الجديدة هي في المكتبة. They are in the library. So that's the answer. هي في المكتبة. The second one, it says لمن هذه البيوت الكبيرة. Who do these big houses belong to? If you look in the story in number 2, it says لمن هذه البيوت الجديدة هي للمدير الشركة. So I think that's probably the answer. هي لمدير الشركة. They belong to the CEO, or you could say the director of the company, which is basically the CEO. أبواب السيارة مفتوحة. If we look to the story on question 1, on statement 1, it says أبواب المسجد مفتوحة. So the question was asking, are the doors of the car open? We say لا أبواب المسجد مفتوحة. No, the doors of the masjid are open. Number 3, I think it's asking us to answer it ourselves. Number 3, it's saying أين أقلام المدرس? And where are the pens of the teacher? And you could just say هي في الفصل. أين الكلاب? Where are the dogs? And you could say هي في الشارع. أين الحمير? Where are the donkeys? You could say هي في الحقل. That means they are in the field. حقل, حقول, field, fields. أين كتبك يا مريم? أين كتبك يا مريم? Where are your books يا مريم? And you can say هي على المكتب. They are on my desk. Number 8, it says أين دفاتر الطلاب? Where are the notebooks of the students? And you could say هي على مكتب المدرس. They are on the teacher's desk. Number 9, it says أين الفنادق الصغيرة? Where are the small hotels? An answer could be هي في لندن. They are in London. Number 10, it says لمن هذه الأقلام الجديدة? Who do these new pens belong to? And you could say هي للطبيب. They belong to the doctor. So that exercise is complete. Let's move on to the next one. And this is just saying that the subject, you need to transform it into a plural. So الباب مفتوح. الأبواب مفتوحة. And on number 1, it says هذا قلم جديد. To transform it into a plural, we would say هذه أقلام جديدة. هذه أقلام جديدة. النجوم جميلة. The stars are beautiful. Number 3 says ذلك كتاب قديم. That book is old. To transform it, we would say تلك كتب قديمة. Those books are old. The next one says ذلك البيت جميل. That house is beautiful. To transform it, we would say تلك البيوت جميلة. Those houses are beautiful. The next one, number 5, it says هذا الدرس سهل. To transform it into a plural, we say هذه الدروس سهلة. These lessons are easy. Number 6, it says ذلك الجبل بعيد. That mountain is far. To transform it into a plural, we say تلك الجبال بعيدة. Those mountains are far. The next page, number 7, it says هذا المكتب مكسور. This desk is broken. To transform it into a plural, we say هذه المكاتب مكسورة. These desks are broken. Number 8, it says هذا مسجد جميل. To transform it into a plural, we say هذه مساجد جميلة. Number 9, it says هذا ساعة رخيصة. This watch is cheap. To transform it into a plural, we say هذه ساعات رخيصة. These watches are cheap. Number 10, it says تلك الطائرة كبيرة. That airplane is big. To transform it into a plural, we say those planes are big. تلك الطائرات كبيرة. Number 11, it says هذا طالب جديد. This is a new student. To transform it into a plural, we say هؤلاء. We say هؤلاء طلاب جدد. We don't use tilka or هذه because this is عاقل. طالب is عاقل. It's a human. And so we must use the normal way. هؤلاء. These students are new. ذلك الرجل تاجر كبير. That man is a big merchant. To transform it, we would say أولئك الرجال تجار كبار. And again, these are عاقل, رجال, man. It's a human. عاقل, intelligent. 13, it says هذا النهر كبير. هذا النهر كبير. That this river is big. To transform it, we would say هذه أنهار كبيرة. These rivers are big. And so that is that exercise. Let's move on to the next. It says put into the blanks an appropriate khabar, the appropriate ending to the sentence. So for example, it says al-baytu, and I'll just put kabirun. Al-baytu kabirun. The house is big. Number 2 says an-nujumu jamilatun. Al-babu maftuhun. Al-qalamu maksurun. Al-buyutu kabiratun. Al-abwabu maftuhatun. As-sayyaratu nadhifatun. The cars are clean. Al-mindilu wasikhun. The handkerchief is dirty. Al-fanadiqu saghiratun. The hotels are small. At-tullabu jududun. The students are new. Al-qumsanu. Qumsanu. This is a new word. It means shirts. It's the plural of qamisun. So we could say al-qumsanu nadhifatun. And so that is that exercise done. Let's go to the next exercise. And this is just telling us to give the plurals of the following words. So bab means door. The plural is abwab. Baytun, buyutun. Najmun, nujumun. Qalamun, aqlamun. Himarun, remember there's two for this one. There's humurun and hamirun. Sarirun, sururun. Nahrun means river. Anharun. Sayyaratun, sayyaratun. Okay, the next word. It's kalbun, kilabun. Ta'iratun, ta'iratun. Darsun, durusun. Bahrun, biharun. For example, you could say fi bahri asmak kathiratun. So in the ocean there are many fish or plentiful fish. كتاب كتب. قميص قمصان. Like for example, you could say قمصان نظيفة في غسالة هناك. There are clean shirts in that washing machine over there, or in the washing machine over there. دراجة دراجات. So bike, bikes. حقل حقول. Field, fields. So for example, you could say الفلاحون في الحقول. The farmers are in the fields. And then جبل جبال. Mountain, mountains. So that brings us to the new words. الكلمات الجديدة. So الشركة جمع شركات. This means company. مدير الشركة. It means CEO or the director of the company. رخيص, it means cheap. And القميص قمصان, it's shirts or shirts. And with that, we conclude this lesson. بإذن الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.